Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how we finally fixed the rubbing issue we had with the Injora Flex Blades and the big bore shocks on our Axial SCX24 Lexus GX470. Let's get right into it. First up, we're trying one of the most common fixes out there, flipping the shocks upside down. This trick usually works on most SCX24 setups running flex plates and big bores, so we give it a shot. Right out of the gate, it felt way better, almost too easy. So we ran a quick test on our flex module, and yeah, improvement. But if it were that easy, we wouldn't be making this video. We put it side by side, stock shock position versus flip. Even though there's more clearance, we're still getting rubbing. This time, the springs are clipping the tires during articulation. Back to the workbench. Turns out, this fix just won't work for this setup. The Lexus GX470's components sit a bit differently than other SCX24s. We even contacted Injora, but since the shocks and the blades were designed at different times, they weren't really made to work together on this body, so time to rethink the plan. Now we're trying something else, adding brass wheel hex adapters and brass wheel nuts to give the tires more room to breathe. This not only helps with clearance, but also gives the rig a bit more traction and a wider stance on the trail. Let's get this on all four corners and head back to the flex module. Alright, we installed the spacers, back to the test zone. The flex module is perfect for this because it pushes everything to the limit. Good news, the rubbing between the shocks and the tires is gone. But now we got a new problem. The tires are rubbing against the scale side steps on tight turns and full compression. Luckily, this one is an easy fix. Just 2 screws per side, pop the scale steps off, and we're finally ready to hit the trail. And here it is, working like a charm. The big bore shocks and the flex blades finally doing what they were meant to do without fighting each other. Articulation is clean, steering is smooth, and no more rubbing anywhere. So, if you're planning to run this setup or run into the same issue, give this a shot. You probably won't hear about this fix from the mainstream reviewers, but we're all about real-world testing. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, follow, subscribe, whatever it takes to keep up with the next mods. I'll catch you on the next one.